Hi guys, this is Zeffi and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is fine. Today video is based on iOS 15 home screen and I hope you all love it. Before starting the video, I have a little request to everyone: subscribe my YouTube channel, also follow me on Instagram and Telegram. The link of the social accounts are added in the video description. Without any further delay, let's start the video. First, have a look on the setup. Now download the required apps. Nova Launcher, Nova Launcher Prime, Kustom Widget and Kustom Widget Pro. The widget I used for the setup is Apple for Custom Widget Pack and the icon pack is One U icon pack. Link of the all items are added in the video description. Now let's begin the tutorial. First, open any browser and go to my website www.zeffisetups.com. After opening the site, go to the mega menu. Open the iOS 15 blur style and download the backup and wallpaper. After downloading, go back to the main screen. Open the Nova settings. Go to the backup and restore. Open the restore backup and select the backup file from the downloaded folder. Now pinch in the screen. Open the wallpapers. Go to the pick image and select the wallpaper from the same folder. Now tap on the top widget. Open the search and type 00051. Open the widget. Open stack group. Go to the position and edit its Y offset to 20. Then press OK. After that, go to the widget touch. Tap on custom action, again tap and select disable block touch. Then press save button. Now tap on the second widget. Open search and type 00017. Open the widget. Go to the widget touch, tap on custom action, again tap and select disable block touch, then press save button. Now tap on the third widget, open the search and type 00050. Open the widget, go to the globals, change the C2 color, type 7B FF. Tap on apply. Now go to the widget position, edit its Y offset to 20. Then press OK. After that, go to the widget touch, tap on custom action, again tap and select disable block touch. Then press save button. Now tap on the fourth widget, open the search and type 00087. Open the widget, tap on the plus button, add the morphing text and type level, then add battery level in percentage, then press OK. Now go to the paint, set the color to black. Now go to the position edit its X offset to 65 and Y to 115. After the changes, go to the globals, edit its color. First remove all the text, then type FF00A1BA, then tap on apply. Now change the gradient color. First remove all the text and type FFA35827, then tap on apply. Now go to the widget touch, tap on custom action, again tap and select disabled block touch, then press save button. Now tap on the fifth widget, open the search and type 00052. Open the widget, go to the globals, replace C1 color with the same which I used in the previous app, #7BFF. Then go to the widget position, edit its Y offset to 20. After that, go to the widget touch, tap on custom action and disable the block touch, then press save button. Now tap on the sixth widget, open search and type 00093. Open the widget, go to the globals, first change its color, FFA35827, then tap on apply. Now go to the gradient, first remove all the text and type FF00A1BA, then tap on apply. Now go to the widget touch, tap on custom action, again tap and select disable block touch, then press save button. Now tap on the last widget, open the search and type 00090. Open the widget, go to the widget touch, tap on custom action, again tap and select disable block touch, then press save button. So guys, this is your iOS 15 blur home screen setup and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I know that tutorial is a little lengthy but it's worth to watch. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Also share this video to your friends who are customization lovers. We'll see you next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.